Hello everyone, I'm Saksham Sharma back with the updates on MBA hiring. So, a good news coming up that some students have received the joining letter yesterday. Yes, TCS MBA hiring joining has come. It has come for some students, not for all. So don't panic. Those who have not got their joining, you will also get the mail soon. So the joining letter that has come yesterday, it is to be scheduled on 21st August. So 21st August is the joining date, and I think it is almost 2 weeks of uh, heads up they are giving you before your joining. By the way, TCS mostly does the joining on Thursday for freshers. So 21st August is also a Thursday. And then I doubt if, on the next Thursday they will do any joining because joining in the last week of month is avoided. So I hope that other students will get their joining in the first week of September. And prior to that, 2 weeks before, they should get their joining letter. And some regions have got the joining. Some students have approached me with some queries about joining. So I have seen that students from Mumbai have got the joining, and there are some other regions too. So good news because this is what we were waiting for. Number one, and number two, people were saying due to all the news in the market about TCS and the macroeconomic environment, joining can get delayed. But all those things turned out to be false, and TCS have released the joining because I have been telling this that joining for freshers and hiring for freshers is a different thing, and then it is a routine process. Okay, so good, very good, and many congratulations to everyone who has got their joining. So now a couple of things that I want to mention that the joining mail that has come from TCS XP joining, XP onboarding, from the XP onboarding name, they have sent you the mail, and they have sent you all the details of the joining formalities, right? So they have sent you multiple mails. So go through them, in detail, and you will get the clarity. Even they have shared the formats of non-criminal affidavit, birth certificate. So everything is there. So read the mails and go through the attachments in detail. Okay, so you will get all the idea. So basically, you have to upload your background check documents, which was already, which you all of many of you have already uploaded. Apart from that, there is service agreement. So they have also sent you the uh, attachment for service agreement format. You have to make a service agreement on 100 rupees stamp paper, and then there must be a person who can give the surety of that. And I think you have to upload the PAN card of that person as well. Everything is written in the mail that has come to you, and there is a police verification of a form as well that you have to fill and upload. And I think you only have to go it and get it verified by the police. So as far as what I understand about it, and yeah, rest are the things, they are asking for a degree or a provisional degree. If that is not there, so they want a bona fide letter which says that your course is complete, and you don't have any pending backlog or anything like that. So that means students who have only completed their exams can only join, because they are taking the bona fide data. That means they want to be sure that no exams are left, and you are good to be onboarded. So these are the couple of things that I get to know from the students, those who have got the joining letters. And again, need not to be panicked. Those who have not got it, you will also get it. Joining happening batches, so it can take some time. But the good news is that it has come, at least for some students. That means in the coming weeks also other students will also get it, especially for the MBA, because joining for other hirings is also going on for Ignite and Smart. It is also going on. Okay, so this is a good news. Okay, and let me see if there are any relevant comment. Everybody is checking here that whether they have, somebody have got the joining, and some people have responded also in this chat that yes, some people have got it. So good. I will take some comments which is here, which I can answer, that are apart from joining. Filling survey form and impact joining. I don't think so. There is a relation in that. Many people have filled the survey form, but they have not got the joining. So there is no relation. But filling a survey form gives them an idea that you are done with your exams. So maybe those who are done with the exams, of course, they will be prioritized, because if your exams are not completed, it is difficult to onboard you. Okay, Cat 1 and Cat 2, somebody already answered. Cat 1 is, IIMs and other top colleges, and Cat 2 are the normal colleges, MBA colleges. So this Cat 1 and Cat 2 is used for MBA. So, it is a main regulations and I got about research and multiple percentages. I got a control, so I'm still similar to this. So uh, if an HR has told you that it is under consideration, then you should believe in his words, because as of now, what I see is that already MBA hiring offer letters are out for a very long. So if you are still in the process, if they are saying, then it should be the case. But I don't know. Only you have asked this so far. So keep your hopes alive. There's nothing wrong to be positive about it, right? Is there any difference between on-campus and off-campus? Will it affect onboarding? So on campus, hiring TCS is only doing for very limited college, and in MBA, they don't have, I think, such criteria. They do choose a college where other students can also come, but I doubt, whether there will be a difference in onboarding for on campus or off campus. Okay, so mm, I've already described in brief about the number of documents to be uploaded, and it's not very tough. They have explained in details about each and everything. So go through the mails and attachments, you will get all your answers. Got my joining letter today. Location preference was French kind of. Training duration would be around 6 weeks. So you will get your training, and then you will get the projects. So in your projects, the main learning will start. The training will be very generic rather than just anything particular in technical. Yes, okay. So let's see if there are any other comment. So TCS started generating job letters for some people. It will be fine if I resign from my current company. They are giving a 15 days heads up. So uh, if anybody, it cannot be said with certainty that when you will get your joining. But if you feel so, then you can do that. Um, I think let's see it for one more round in the coming days, if it is happening consistently, or they will wait and send the joining in batches. So that is something to be seen, but that is your call. I leave it to you. And 15 days heads up is clear that they are giving. So if your notice period can fall into that, then it would be good. Okay. All right. Okay. I think Darshan, we already spoke in morning. All right, so majority are about joining. Okay, so if we join some other company and then join TCS, do we need to tell them about it because we have taken that job and the rate of joiner and only we just submitted the certificate? No. Now in the onboarding form, they will ask you about past employer. So since you would be filling it now and you have already joined a company by now, you should mention that. And if you have a UN number, that is PF number, then you should also mention that. It's fine. So I'm operating within the okay. Okay, so some people were asking whether they will, some TCS will not revoke your offer. TCS will definitely is already giving joining. You will also get your joining soon. Okay, okay. See, it is if you Kumar is asking about the day-to-day work. So day-to-day work of an IT professional is start from calls. There are morning calls. There are, when you get some tasks, you have to work on few things. So uh, I think it is difficult to explain all these things in words. But yeah, it's a good culture in TCS and IT, and things are different for different people. It is not same for everyone. So it depends upon what project and what role you get. But yeah, it is like getting, working on softwares, working on, having calls, and then meetings, and then deadlines, fine calls. So these are typical uh, things that happens. So Kumar, the kind of role will depend upon the kind of task will depend upon the kind of role that you get. So it cannot be same for everyone. Uh, all right. Okay. So somebody's asking about TCS NQT. TCS NQT is still a big question in interview results, because TCS is not responding properly. I have also tried approaching them, but they are saying the same thing. It will come soon, and when that soon will over is a question. So can't say with certainty when it will come. Let's hope for the best. Okay, thank you.